Stock market investing is not only for the rich or geniuses. If I can do it, so you can. I didn't start my stock market investing journey early, but I've invested in some businesses. But if I'm being honest, I would have started earlier. But I was taking my time to understand stock market investing before I started. So in today's video, I'll be explaining what stocks are, how to invest in stocks, how people get wealthy by investing in the stock market, and the best stocks for beginners. So let's get into it. Firstly, I want you to know that stock market is not hard. It's easy to learn, yeah. So let's start with what are stocks? And the best way to understand stock is this. Let's say you are a business owner, you own a business, right? Maybe let's use car company for example, and you need lots of money to grow and expand your business. The best thing you should do as a business owner is to look for investors that can invest in your business. And the best place to look for these investors is in the stock market. So in order for you to raise this money, you need to sell a portion of your company to these investors. So this is what stocks are. Stocks are just units of ownership in a company. So assuming you buy a stock now, you have owned a piece of that company. Let's say you buy a stock from Tesla or maybe Amazon, you are automatically, the owner of a piece of that company. So in the actual sense, one person doesn't own Tesla or Amazon or Facebook because there are so many people that own stocks in that company. So they are called shareholders or stockholders. So let's say you want to buy stocks. How do you invest in stocks? You don't go and buy it in Walmart or Northfields. No. The place to buy and sell stocks is called stock market and is a big marketplace. And for you to buy or sell stocks, you need to have an online brokerage account. We have so many online brokerage accounts you can choose from. I will leave a link below in the description of the one I use. They offer free sign-up bonus, zero fees, and there's no catch. It will cost you absolutely nothing. But you can choose from any other ones you want. It's okay. So after choosing the brokerage account you prefer, you go ahead and open an account with them. Just follow the instructions. It's quite easy and open an account. Then you transfer money from your checking or savings account, or preferably savings account, so into your brokerage account. Now, it is worthy to note that it is best to open a tax sheltered account for your investment because this type of account shelters your gains from taxes. In other words, you will not pay taxes on your gains. So examples of such accounts are the tax-free savings account, TFSA, FHSA, that's First Home Savings Account, and the RESP, that's Registered Education Savings Plan. So you have to choose the best option for you. So if you want to know everything about First Home Savings Account and TFSA, which is the most versatile, please check my video on that. Okay, now that you have money in your brokerage account, you are now ready to start buying stocks. But again, you need to make sure that you're buying stocks from good companies because if the value of the company goes up, the stock goes up, and that's how you make your money. Some companies, not all, they do pay dividends from the gains they've made to whoever owns stock in their company. And you don't need to fill any form, they will just deposit this money into your account. It's just like a form of passive income. Now, let's assume that you want to sell your stocks for whatever reason. Maybe you just realize that the company is not good for you. You don't want the company anymore, or maybe you need cash, or maybe you want to, sell the stock and invest in another company. It is so easy to do so because your stocks are liquid and you are free to do so. You don't have to pay any commission or fees to do that. Now, when you sell your stock, the money will be deposited into your brokerage account. But maybe if you want the money to be in your bank account, you can transfer the money from your brokerage account to your bank account and it will be there. There are so many ways to make money through investing. Number one is dividend earnings, which I mentioned earlier. This is a way of earning passive income in investing. Some people invest in stock markets solely because of dividend earnings, and they collect their dividend earnings, quarterly or monthly, and they reinvest their dividend earnings And this is how they grow and accumulate wealth through investing. You can set your brokerage account to automatically reinvest your dividends. It is called DRIP, Dividend Reinvestment Plan. So the second way to make money through investing is to buy and hold. This is when you buy and hold a stock for a long period of time. We're talking about decades. So you buy and forget it. Some people buy and then leave it until their retirement and they use it for their retirement. Some people buy and they put it in their will. The third way to make money through investing is by trading. Some people, they buy and sell their stocks frequently. So they buy and they target when the market is high, they will just sell it. They are called traders. They don't buy and keep a stock for a long time. They are not just interested. They're only there to target the market. When it's high, they will sell. But please, if you're a beginner, don't go into trading because it could cost you a lot of money. It needs lots of experience before you can start trading. Yes, many people go into trading and they make lots of money. People get rich by trading, but they have lots of experience. If you're a beginner in stock market, I would suggest you start with a big, well-known companies. They are called blue chip companies. Example is Amazon. It is not wise to invest in small companies because you could lose your money. Another great option is to invest in ETFs, exchange traded funds. So it's a great option in my opinion because ETF is like a large basket holding so many stocks. So when you buy one ETF, you have bought stocks of so many companies. So example is if you buy S&P 500, for example, you have bought the stocks of the 500 most powerful companies in America. Example of such companies are like Google, Amazon, Meta, that's Facebook. And there are dividend ETFs too that pays dividends. So please, I would like to say this. Don't be in a hurry to make money in stock market, by trading when you don't have the experience or investing in risky stocks. Yes, this can be, tempting sometimes, but please don't give in to that. So you don't lose your money in stock markets. Building wealth takes time, but it works when you are patient and you forget about instant gratification. And it gets easier and faster over time due to the wonder in investing called compound interest. Let me show you something. If you double a penny over 30 days, this is what happens. Day 1 is 1 cent. Day 2 is 2 cents. Day 3 is 4 cents. Then day 4 is 8 cents. And you keep going down to day 10. Your 1 cent is now worth $5.12. Then you go over the next 10 days. Day 20, your 1 cent is now worth 5,242.88 cents. Then it goes down from $5,000 to 1 million in the next 10 days. But how is that even possible? Now see how it works. Day 21, it goes to $10,000. Day 22 is 20,972. Day 23 is 41,943, and it goes to 5,368,709 in day 30. And the secret is patience and consistency. At the beginning, it will look like nothing is happening, but before you know it, it will skyrocket. And that's because of the power of compound interest. So please, I wanted to make money investing. So do your research before you start investing and, ask questions. Whatever you're confused about, ask questions, learn and grow. If you would like to see more videos on investing, please comment investing in the comment section. And if you find value in this video, please like this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next one.